done. Back you go. Right, the next thing you need to do is pull that lever all the way back. Just sort of, yeah. You can do something about it. So it's the same procedure as planned. You can blow your whistle, take the brake off, and then open the regulator. Okay? And what you'll find this way is a lot of it's downhill. So you don't use the regulator so much, but you might need to use it a bit of braking here and there. Okay. But it's more pronounced when you've got carriages behind you, because the momentum's in the carriages and they're pushing you. A little bit more steep. Probably, yes. More expensive. Maybe. Yeah, you're fine with 6. You're going to get a call. 58 grams. Have to look on another one. There we are, 58 grams. So I have to go and check it with an ordinary Mars bar.
Health and safety.
Okay, go. Here we have the steam engine controls. Here's the regulator, which is like the accelerator on a car. Over here is the foot brake, if you like. And down here is the handbrake. This is like the gear lever. There is forward and this way is reverse. This lets off steam in the cylinders that it's building up. This is the firebox. In there is the coal. It's pretty hot.
What's this one, Dad?
This is the steam injector, which in conjunction with this, which lets water in from the water tanks into the boiler to fill up the boiler. And this steam injector helps the water to flow into the boiler. And this is a wheel that,
What does that do?
Is to prevent blowback of the smoke, like when you're going through a tunnel. You're in danger of the smoke blowing back into the firebox.
And how long have you been driving trains?
So, at least an hour.
Are you having fun?
Yeah. Up there is the steam pressure, which needs to be just about as it is, 160 pounds per square inch. And what else is there?
What's this key for here, Dad?
Oh, that's for one-way. That's for two-way working on one line. It means that this engine is the only one allowed on this line.
Oh, good.
At any one time.
I didn't think you'd know that.
It's a token.
Here's the driver coming back and the fireman.
Ooh, yeah, maybe.
So here we go. Change the points. He's going to jump.
That's downhill. Yeah. Right. That's provided you get a good into the bucket. Use that as a weekend.
I'm not going to move the regulator again, otherwise it will be pissing steam.